The journey of the Slayton sisters has been one of the most dramatic and inspiring reality TV stories in recent memory, captivating millions of viewers across the world. Ever since TLC introduced Tammy and Amy Slayton to audiences in their hit reality show 1000 LB Sisters, fans have been invested in the very moment of their struggles, triumphs, and deeply personal challenges. The show has offered a raw and emotional look at the lives of two women who have battled obesity, health scares, complicated relationships, and newfound fame. But now, shocking developments suggest that 1000 LB Sisters season the 8th of May not be happening after all. Following Tammy Slayton's remarkable skin removal surgery and ongoing lifestyle transformation, she has dropped hints that the cameras may not return to document her next chapter, effectively signaling a possible cancellation of the show. For loyal fans, this news feels both bittersweet and inevitable. Tammy's weight loss journey has been the most headline-grabbing storyline of the series. For years, she struggled with morbid obesity, at times weighing over 700 pounds, requiring oxygen support, and facing life-threatening health issues. Many viewers doubted that Tammy could turn her life around after multiple failed attempts at weight loss and rehab programs. But against all odds, Tammy stunned the world when she qualified for bariatric surgery and began dropping hundreds of pounds. Her journey from being bedbound to walking, traveling, and regaining independence became one of the most emotional transformations reality TV had ever shown. The highlight of Tammy's transformation came with her much-anticipated skin removal surgery, a procedure that changed her physical appearance dramatically and allowed her to embrace a new sense of freedom and confidence. Fans cheered her on, but many also wondered how much longer the cameras could continue following such personal medical milestones without crossing into exploitation. In a series of social media posts, Tammy has hinted that she is tired of the constant filming and may want to live her life away from the spotlight. While she hasn't issued an official statement saying that 1000 LB Sisters Season 8 is cancelled, her cryptic comments suggest that the franchise's future is in jeopardy. According to insiders close to production, Tammy's recovery has been so extensive and positive that there may not be enough drama left to sustain another full season. Reality television thrives on conflict, setbacks, and emotional roller coasters, but with Tammy focused on her LTH and self-love, the storyline may not align with TLC's formula for compelling TV. Fans have begun to speculate that the network may quietly shelve Season 8 rather than force storylines that no longer exist. Another factor fueling cancellation rumors is Tammy's relationship with the production team. Over the years, she has been vocal about how filming sometimes intruded on her privacy and added unnecessary stress to her life. The constant scrutiny of social media already places Tammy under a microscope, and the cameras only intensify that pressure. After enduring multiple health scares, losing loved ones, and navigating difficult relationships in the public eye, it's not surprising that Tammy would want to step back from being a reality TV personality. Her recent focus on positivity, self-care, and independence paints the picture of someone ready to live for themselves, not for the audience. For Amy Slayton, Tammy's sister and co-star, the possible cancellation of Season 8 raises other questions. Amy has also undergone a life-changing transformation through weight loss surgery, motherhood, and newfound independence. However, her personal life has been complicated by her divorce, struggles as a single mom, and public criticism over her parenting style. Many fans believed that Amy's storylines could anchor future seasons even if Tammy stepped away. But if TLC believes that the core of the show was always about the sisters' shared journey, then a solo focus on Amy may not deliver the same ratings power. Behind the scenes, reality TV shows often face a natural expiration date. After multiple seasons, the initial hook that drew in audiences can lose its impact, and networks must decide whether to invest in new storylines or close the chapter. With Tammy's incredible weight loss and skin removal surgery serving as the ultimate payoff of her story, producers may feel that the show has reached its natural conclusion. In some ways, Season 7 provided closure by showing viewers the happy ending they had long hoped for, Tammy finally gaining control of her health, achieving a transformation once thought impossible, and reclaiming her life. Continuing the series beyond that may risk diminishing the power of her journey. Still, fans are not ready to let go. Social media is flooded with messages from loyal viewers begging TLC to continue the series, even if in a modified form. Some have suggested a spin-off focusing on Amy's life as a single mom, while others have pitched the idea of Tammy documenting her new experiences outside of weight loss, such as dating, traveling, and finding her place in the world post-surgery. Others believe that the network could produce a reunion-style special rather than a full season, offering fans closure while respecting the sisters' privacy. TLC has not officially announced the cancellation or renewal of 1000 lb Sisters for Season 8, which has only fueled speculation and frustration among fans who crave clarity. Another layer to the speculation is Tammy's growing independence on social media platforms like TikTok and Instagram. Unlike the early seasons of the show, Tammy now has the ability to share her journey directly with her fans without needing TLC's cameras. She frequently posts videos updating her followers about her daily life, progress, and thoughts, bypassing the production team entirely. This shift gives Tammy more control over her narrative and eliminates the pressure of performing for ratings. For someone who has spent years being edited into dramatic storylines, the appeal of direct communication with fans may be too strong to ignore. The impact of 1000 lb Sisters on pop culture and body positivity cannot be overstated. From sparking conversations about obesity and healthcare to showing the raw realities of food addiction and family struggles, the show broke ground in ways that few reality series have. It humanized Tammy and Amy, two women who might otherwise have been reduced to stereotypes, and gave them a platform to share their truth. The series also educated audiences about the dangers of extreme obesity and the importance of perseverance, community support, and medical intervention. If Season 8 is truly cancelled, it will mark the end of an era in reality TV, leaving behind a legacy that will continue to inspire and provoke discussion. At the same time, Tammy's possible decision to step away reflects the broader issue of how much reality TV demands from its stars. Viewers often forget that behind the dramatic edits and cliffhanger moments are real people with real struggles. For Tammy, who has survived near-death experiences, lost friends and family, and endured constant online bullying, choosing peace over publicity may be the healthiest choice she could make. Her transformation, both physical and emotional, deserves to be celebrated without being overshadowed by television ratings. For now, fans are left waiting for official confirmation. Will TLC announce Season 8, or will they quietly let the series fade into memory? Will Tammy continue to share her life online, or will she retreat into privacy after achieving her long-awaited goals? While these questions remain unanswered, one thing is clear: Tammy Slaton's story has already achieved something extraordinary. She proved her doubters wrong, took control of her life, and inspired millions to believe in the possibility of change. Whether or not Season 8 happens, her journey will always be remembered as one of the most powerful arcs in reality television history. In the coming months, the truth about 1000 lb Sisters Season 8 will likely come out. Until then, fans will continue to speculate, discuss, and hope. But even if the series is cancelled, Tammy's life after skin removal surgery is proof that the most important story has already been told, and it's one of triumph, resilience, and reclaiming dignity in the face of overwhelming odds. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 lb's YouTube channel for more update news.